What if I told you that there's a shark that's been living for millions of years? Meet the goblin shark, one of the ocean's weirdest creatures, and a literal living fossil. This deep-sea predator has barely changed in 125 million years, meaning it shared the ocean with creatures like mosasaurs during the age of dinosaurs. Its most striking feature? That long, blade-like snout packed with sensors to detect electric fields of prey. But here's the real kicker: its jaws can shoot forward like a slingshot to snag its meal. Imagine being able to grab food with your mouth from a distance. What would you do if you came face to face with this shark type? Comment down below.